Hi guys, today we will talk about the multi-tester and how it works and its function. So as we can see, we have here a multi-tester is also known as a multimeter. It is an electronic measurement instrument that combines several measurement functions in one device. It is vital tool that used by electrician, refrigeration technicians, and engineers to test, to diagnose, and troubleshoot electrical and electronic system or components. It includes those found in refrigeration and air conditioning system or rack. A multitester it tests electrical properties such as voltage, current, and resistance. Modern version called digital multitester also measure additional properties like continuity, capacitance, frequency, and temperature. They are essential for checking the conditions of compressor, fan motors, thermostats, relays, capacitor, and wiring in the refrigeration system. The main parts of multitester is display screen, function selector dial or the range selector switch, test probes or the LEDs, the red positive and black or the negative, and input terminals such as voltage MA and 10 amperes, power button, hold button, battery compartment, fuse, internal rotary switch, clamp or clamp type. Okay, in refrigeration, the multitester is used to check voltage supplied to the compressor, condenser fan, and the evaporator fan. It also measures resistance in motor, winding, or the defrost heater. It also tests the continuity of the thermostats, overload protectors, or wiring harness. It also evaluates the capacitor performance to ensure the compressor starting torque. It also detects an open circuit or a ground faults that may cause system